everyone, this is Bullshit here, and welcome to my Windows boot. Today we're going to be talking about, well, the package manager that Microsoft made for Windows 10, and that basically went to version 1.0 and went available towards the end of last month. And the reason why I want to discuss about it is because, like, as being part of the Linux community, we've had package managers for a while, and our competitor basically got a package manager, so that's what we'll talk about. I feel like it's very important for us to talk about Winget, because the thing about Winget is that it basically, now that Windows is getting its own package manager, it just basically knocks off one of the advantages of Linux. Though, and I think to some people it's also kind of bringing in like the idea that Microsoft's moving to its next stage of the plan that Windows theorized, and it worries me a little too. But like I think the Windows community could be getting a bit more happy that they're finally getting a package manager or something. But I don't think most Windows users are going to use it because, like, how's a normie just going to use the package manager? No, normies use. Most people are probably going to be sticking to the .exe file stuff. Like, to a lot of people, for some reason, just typing in a command like this is too daunting. Like, no, it's not. I do sudo emerge -a all the time in a package on Gentoo, or I used to do this all the time on Arch, or I even used to do this all the time. I am on Pop! West and Ubuntu. And then package name, yeah. Who says it'll be hard to, like, then how would this be daunting, if you know what I mean? But again, let me first of all show you how you can get it. So how you can get it is pretty simple. You just gotta go to this GitHub link. Oh my, how I said just makes it sound suspicious, but it isn't. Well, it's made with Microsoft. And basically here you find it here. So what you want to install is this .appx bundle file. You want to download it, and when it's downloaded over here, it should be in downloads. Yeah, right there. You want to open it, and there should be a menu up here saying you can install. You install it. Then you exit out of that. So what you want to do next is you'd want to, now the next thing you need to do is you want to go here and you want to type in Winget install. Well, let's just type in Winget and see what it gives you. Pretty sure you can also open this up in PowerShell as well. So, yep, you could do it like that too. But let's just do it through CMD, since you could just easily type it CMD in the. Type in CMD right in there. So you could type in. So those are commands. Want to install something, you do winget uninstall, and then package. Settings. You have winget settings. I don't know where that can be found. Winget upgrade. This you can think this means you can upgrade the given packages. And for example, this explains all of them practically. You just pause right here and read them. I don't need to go through it, but let's just do a Winget list. So here they all are. So now let's do a test run. So Winget install Notepad++. See if that works. Yep. So it is installing it now. Yeah, I don't know why it's taking forever. Okay, now it's speeding up. So I'll pull up that. The package successfully installed. So let's do Notepad. Yeah, here you have Notepad++. Don't worry, if you're on Linux, you run this in one. I've done before. So if you'll like this type of content, make sure to drop a like. If you wanted to see more of this content, make sure to subscribe. If you don't like this content, or specifically this video, drop a dislike. And it'd be heavily appreciated if you were to also drop a comment explaining why you disliked the video and some issues, also known as constructive feedback. I'll see y'all next time. See ya.